Brought out the little truck right now. You gotta get it in video. Ah, fuck that caddy. Yeah.
We do it all, baby.
Finally brought it out after a couple of months. Oh, and then we got the. Alright, can you see? It's nice. It's nice, not too bad, all original, except for the spokes, I guess. So. But it's nice green, tan interior. Might be for sale. You don't know yet, but yes. Clean. What C10? Oh yeah. Same guy that owns that car owns that blue, white and blue C10. So. Barber Eddie. Oh, you know más. Best for last.
When you're not a mechanic, you gotta cook, homeboy. I'm just supervising the
cook. My brother Ivan, Barber Eddie.
I'm not a mechanic, so you gotta cook. La rubia with the C10, please.
Oh, what?
C10 rubia?
La rubia with the
C10.
C10?
Rubia right there.
C10 rubia?
Tap in. Tap in. Tap, you gotta tag me in.
And that's the owner of the SS right there. Alright guys, so here we are. This is part 2. It's been about an hour maybe. This is as far. Yeah! No está chingando. Take her shoes off. This is how far I've gone. Or I've gotten so far. So already got the headers on. The injectors. Coils. Most of the things on the top. God damn, it sucks. It just, the sun is just, wow. Got the headers on this side. Coils, injectors connected. Dipstick. All we need now is accessory drive, radiator, water pump, and a few little odds and ends, and should start. So, whew, it's hot. So here we go. I'm gonna keep going at it and come back little by little, keep giving you guys updates, and then once we start it, I'll be sure to record the whole thing. Hopefully it starts and it sounds good. Alright, so here we are. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Here's an update. Almost ready. Got all that in. The belts. Radiator. What else? All I need is the spark plug wires. A battery, water, coolant, and oh, the washer reservoir, and we'll start it up. So hopefully another 10-15 minutes we'll hear it fire up, see how that new cam sounds. Woo! Alright, here we go. Keep going at it. Alright, here we go. So hopefully everything's connected legit. Cycle the key 3 times so the fuel gets to the fuel rail. That's one. Do you have the vacuum hose? The one that goes right here from the valve cover? ¿Dónde está? because airflow sensors right here, so you gotta cover that. Tape. What if it sucks it in?
Where's the little thing you had?
So I put it on there, but you said to take it off because you're gonna use a different one.
Where'd you put it?
I don't know.
Did you put it up here somewhere?
No. Fuck it. ¿Qué pasa? Try it like that. See what happens. I'll cover it with my finger. Here you go. First start. First attempt. 2 more cycles.
3 more?
Ahí está. Ahora sí go. Alright, there it is. First start. Damn. Now we gotta plug up or connect the manifolds to the exhaust, and that's it. Button it up. Anyway. Alright, so we're gonna do that and then turn it on again. Hopefully we'll see what's up. Alright, we'll come back. Alright, here goes part 2. With the exhaust on, connected, everything pretty much almost done. Dale! Ahora sí, just let it warm up, see what happens. Hopefully there's no leaks or nothing. But it sounds nice. Yeah? I'm gonna go to the back, see how the back sounds. Got a little rumble. We gotta let it warm up and see how the idle acts after it warms up.
Captain leaves.
¿Cuánto el cam? For the box. ¿Es esa?
Yeah.
So this is a cam that we put in it. Trick flow, TFS, that one right there. So, any other markings? Nope, that's it. So there it is for you guys that want to check it out. That sounds nice. You just gotta plug this up, eh?
Yeah.
Is it even sucking?
That's just for fume.
Yeah?
It's just for fume. That's it. It goes back to the house.
Oh. Is that turbo? The blow valve? No mames. Sounds nice, eh? A ver. Oh, ahí va, mira. You hear it? If you get a different exhaust, you'll be able to hear more.
Aerator.
What do you got right now?
Magnaflow.
Magnaflow? Huh. Well, there it is, guys. And now we just gotta finish it up a little bit, button everything down. But yeah, not too bad for a backyard rebuild. Sounds good. But yeah, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I got a lot more videos coming. Working on this. Their C10s and my Impala, their Impalas. So yeah, thanks for watching. Come back.